Hi, I'm Chris Hsu and I'm with Blackbox. I'm one of the sales engineers over here. And today we're going to show you a very unique product that no one else has on the market. So over here is what the hardware looks like. This is what we call the Invisa PC platform. It's essentially a KVM 0 client, and how it works is that it still operates as a traditional KVM. And it is a true KVM over IP solution. So on the connection side, we've got DVI. We'll be able to support DVI, HDMI DisplayPort, and you can run either copper or fiber. Right now, this version is copper. This will allow you to connect up to a network switch, and you get your traditional KVM transmitter receiver, and it becomes a network switch. What's really unique about this is the fact that we can also connect to virtual machines. So for example, over here on our screen, right now we're connected to a virtual machine, and one of the challenges that many of our customers are facing nowadays is the fact that there's a lot more applications that are starting to become virtualized, so they're decreasing the amount of physical machines, so physical assets that they're driving and maintaining. And a lot more virtual machines are living on each hardware device. So there needs to be a bridge between the physical assets and the virtual assets. So with our KVM solution, I'll bring up the on-screen display. We have the ability to access both the physical assets, which are these two transmitters, and of course virtual machines, and that can be Microsoft or VMware, for example. So this is again a very unique product that no one else has on the market. And if you're interested in learning more, please stop by booth 2961, and our website is www.blackbox.com.